So, guys, today we're going to talk about the most famous people in the world, uh, Cristiano Ronaldo or Taylor Swift. So, guys, now I want to ask you guys, who do you think is the most important, like, is the most famous person in the world? So, American says it's Taylor Swift. Uh, in other part of the world, people say it's Cristiano Ronaldo. So, my question is, comment who do you think is the most famous person in the world. So I want to talk about these two personally. uh, Guys, Cristiano Ronaldo is very famous. Like, for me, I think is the most famous person in the world. uh, Americans think Taylor Swift is the most famous person in the world. Guys, just because someone is famous in America doesn't mean is famous in the entire world. Uh, I don't even think uh, Taylor Swift is the most famous person outside America, especially here in Africa. Like, I don't think so. Cristiano Ronaldo has over billion followers in all his social medias, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, all of them. Cristiano Ronaldo is very famous in Africa. I'm sure about that. He's more famous than Taylor Swift in Africa. And there's no way Taylor Swift is more famous than Cristiano Ronaldo in Europe. There's no way Taylor Swift is more famous than Cristiano Ronaldo in South America. Yeah, maybe those are other continent like Australia and a little bit of Asia, because I'm sure Cristiano Ronaldo is very famous there in Asia. Saudi Arabia, those Arab countries. So Cristiano Ronaldo is very famous. He takes this one. American must know that just because someone is famous in America doesn't mean he's famous. Majority of the time, yes, but not always. So yeah, he's famous, but if you walk here in majority of the African countries and put the picture of Taylor Swift and Cristiano Ronaldo and ask young kids, they will mention the name of Cristiano Ronaldo, not Taylor Swift. A lot of people don't know Taylor Swift here, but Cristiano Ronaldo, everybody knows him. Everyone. Europe, South America, Africa, Asia, even there in Australia. But I think maybe uh, Taylor Swift can get a few people there in Australia, in that continent, that smaller continent, that one, and Asia can get a few people in South Korea, Japan, and a little bit of China. Few, because even there they follow football, because football is the most famous sport in the entire world. It's the most followed sport in the entire world. It's the most played sport in the entire world. So this thing is a no-brainer. Cristiano Ronaldo takes this one easy. So Americans, they don't know him that much. A lot of them, because Americans play the sport there. The only sport they play, their sport they play by themselves. They don't play with that. with the world. Football is there in America. I don't know why they call it football while they play it with hands. Baseball is an American thing. Basketball it's an American thing. So that's why majority of them don't know Cristiano Ronaldo because they don't follow the sport that is played by the entire world. So yeah, it's not even close, guys. Don't lie to yourself. It's not even close.